Namaskaram friends, today we are going to learn very important topic in the Sanskrit which is prepositions. How we will learn speak the prepositions of aha ending male names and common names. Aha ending male names and common names. Now question will arise, how we will find this aha ending name and common name? Look at this. Look at this simple name Ramaha. This Ramaha become Ramaha by adding two sounds Ram plus Aha. Ramaha. Ram plus Aha. Ramaha. This is a name. So this is the Aha ending male name. Ramaha. Aha ending male name. So we can see the preposition of this sound. The similar sounds are Dinesh, Dineshaha, Shiva, Shivaha, Lakshman, Lakshmanaha, Narendra, Narendraha. Okay, what are the non-aha ending male sounds? If we say our Prime Minister Modi, Modi he, it does not become aha ending male sound. It becomes ihi ending male sound. Modi, Modaha nehi, Modi he. Modi he means ihi ending male sound. So we are only discussing aha ending male sounds and aha ending common nouns. Now look, which are the common nouns? Balaha. Bal plus aha. Balaha. So the similar words are soldier. Sainikaha. Teacher. Adhyapakaha. Rich man. Dhanikaha. Pupil. Janaha. These are the common names. No, not the name of any person. These are the common nouns, common names. Now we will see the preposition table. This is very important in the Sanskrit preposition table. Singular, plural and preposition. We look at this table, and Ramaha, Ramaha means one Ram and many Ram. Ramaha, Ramaha is only singular and plural form of Ramaha, Ramaha and Ramaha. One Ram, many Ram. Now we will see its preposition. Ramam, Raman. Singular means Ramam, plural is Raman. Ramam, Raman. Preposition is ko. Means Ram ko, Ramam, Ramom ko, Raman. Hindi people can learn like this. Ko Ramam Raman, ko Ramam Raman, ko Ramam Raman. Ramam means one Ram ko. Raman means many Ramam ko. Ramam Raman ko. Preposition is ko. Ko Ramam Raman, ko Ramam Raman, ko Ramam Raman. Hindi people can learn like this. Ko Ramam Raman, ko Ramam Raman means Rama means Ram ko. Raman means Ramom ko. Many Ram ko. Many Ramom ko. Next thing is Ramena Ramaihi, Ramena Ramaihi, Ramena Ramaihi ke dwara or dwara. English preposition by, through, with. Ramena Ramaihi ke dwara Ramena Ramaihi. We can simplify ke dwara and dwara to ke dwara and say like this. Learn like this. Ke dwara Ramena Ramaihi, ke dwara Ramena Ramaihi means Ram ke dwara, Ramom ke dwara. Ram ke dwara Ramena, Ramom ke dwara Ramaihi. Many Ramom ke dwara Ramaihi. That is the usage of Ramena Ramaihi ke dwara or dwara. Dwara. It's also meaning will get dwara. Ramena Ramaihi ke dwara. So we can learn like this. Ke dwara Ramena Ramaihi, ke dwara Ramena Ramaihi, ke dwara Ramena Ramaihi, ke dwara Ramena Ramaihi. Ko Ramam Raman, ko Ramam Raman, ko Ramam Raman, ke dwara Ramena Ramaihi, ke dwara Ramena Ramaihi. Next one is Ramaya Ramebhya. Ramaya Ramebhya. What are the meaning we will get? Ke liye or for. Ke liye. Ramaya, Ram ke liye. Ramebhya, Ramom ke liye. Many Ramom ke liye. Hindi people can learn like this. Ke liye Ramaya Ramebhya, ke liye Ramaya Ramebhya, ke liye Ramaya Ramebhya, ke liye, ye is coming, ye is coming. So first one is Ramaya, Ramaya ke liye, Ramaya, Ram ke liye, Ramaya Ramebhya ke liye. So ke liye Ramaya Ramebhya, ke liye Ramaya Ramebhya. के द्वारा रामेण रामैहि, के द्वारा रामेण रामैहि, को रामम रामान, को रामम रामान, को रामम रामान, को रामम रामान, के द्वारा रामेण रामैहि, के द्वारा रामेण रामैहि, Keliye Ramaya Ramebhya, Keliye Ramaya Ramebhya. Next one is Ramad Ramebhya. Ramad means say, Ram say. Ramad means Ram say. So Ramebhya means many Ramam say. Ramebhya, say, from. So say Ramad Ramebhya, we can learn like this. Say Ramad Ramebhya, say Ramad Ramebhya, say Ramad Ramebhya, say Ramad Ramebhya. Say when say comes, become tu, Ramat, Ramat Ramebhya, Ramad Ramebhya, say Ramad Ramebhya. Okay, next one is very important. Ramasya Ramanam. What is the meaning of that? Ramasya, Ramka, Ramanam, Ramom ke, many Ramom ke, Ramka, Ramom ke. This Kake Ramasya Ramana. Ramasya means one Rams. Ramana means many Rams. Kake Ramasya Ramanam. Hindi people can learn like this. Kake Ramasya Ramanam. And last one is Rame Rameshu. What is the meaning? In, at, on, among. And this word we can use in Hindi. We can use as par. Ram par aropan kiya. Meaning Ram par aropan kiya. Then Rame Aropanam Karodi. Ram par aropan kiya. Rame Aropanam Karoti. Ram par Rame. Par Rame Rameshu. We can learn like this. Par Rame Rameshu. Par Rame Rameshu. So when we can get a aha ending made sounds or common names, we must learn like this. We can replace Ram with Balaha. Ko Balam Balan. Ramam Raman. Balam Balan. Ko Ramam Raman. Ko Balam Balan. Ke dwara Balena Balehi. We can replace Balaha with Ramaha with Balaha. Ke dwara Balena Balehi. Keliye Ramaya Ramebhya, we can replace with Balaha. Ke Balaya Balebhya. Keliye Balaya Balebhya. Say Ramad Ramebhya, replacing with Balaha. Say Balad Balebhya. Kake Ramasya Ramanam. Kake Balasya Balanam. Kake Dineshasya Dineshanam. Kake Shivasya Shivanam. Kake, meaning is Kake. Par Rame Rameshu, replacing with Balaha. Par Bale Baleshu, replacing with Dineshaha. Par Dinesheshu. Okay, likewise we can replace any word, any common name ending with aha. Any name or common name ending with aha. Okay, now we can see some examples. Ramasya Pustakam. Kake Ramasya Ramanam. Ramasya Pustakam. Ram ka Kitab, meaning Ram ka Kitab or Ram's book. Ramena Kritam. By Dwara, ke Dwara Ramena Ramaihi. Ram ke Dwara Kritam means by done. Kritam means done. Ram ke Dwara. Ramena Kritam, done by Ram. Balena Kritam. Ke Dwara Balaihi. Ke Dwara Ramena Ramaihi means ke Dwara boys done by boys ke Dwara. Now next one we can see Bharatiya Sainikena Pak Sainikam Hatya Karoti. Bharatiya Sainikaha, one word. Bharatiya Sainikaha, one word, and we are using Bharatiya Sainikena. Ke Dwara Ramena Ramaihi. के द्वारा रामेण रामैः, के द्वारा रामेण रामैः, that means भारतीय सैनिकों के द्वारा पाक सैनिकम रामम रामन को रामम रामन, then पाक सैनिकः one word and पाक सैनिकम रामम रामन means पाक सैनिकों को हत्या कुर्वन्ति. Pak soldiers are killing by Indian soldiers. We can learn the Kurvandi part later. Now focus preposition only. Bharatiya Sainikaha Pak Sainikan Hatya Kurvandi. Very sorry. Bharatiya Sainikena Pak Sainikam Hatya Kurvandi. Hatya Karodi. This is singular. When it becomes plural, Bharatiya Sainikaihi Ramena Ramaihi, के द्वारा रामेण रामैः, के द्वारा रामेण रामैः, के द्वारा रामेण रामैः, के द्वारा भारतीय सैनिकेन भारतीय सैनिकैः, that means भारतीय सैनिकैः by soldiers of India. भारतीय सैनिकैः पाक सैनिकान, by सैनिकान means Raman. When Raman come, Raman ko Ramam Raman, पाक सैनिकों को हत्या कुर्वन्ति means हत्या कुर्वन्ति. We can then later it means Pak soldiers are killing by Indian soldiers. भारतीय सैनिकैः पाक सैनिकान हत्या कुर्वन्ति. These are using in the plural and भारतीय सैनिकेन पाक सैनिकम हत्या करोति. This is singular and भारतीय सैनिकैः पाक सैनिकान हत्या कुर्वन्ति. This is plural. This is singular and plural. Then we can learn the next part. दिनेशम आरोपणम करोति. दिनेशम रामम रामान को रामम रामान. दिनेश accusing दिनेश को आरोप, that meaning will come. दिनेशम आरोपणम करोति. दिनेश को accusing Dinesha, but Dinesha Aropanam Karodi means simple Dinesha accusing. Dinesha, the person Dinesha is accusing. Dinesha Aropanam Karodi. Dinesham means ko Ramam Raman, ko Dinesham, ko Ramam Raman. So Dinesham Aropanam Karodi, Dinesh ko meaning will come. Then Dineshasya Aropanam means Dineshas accused. Dineshasya Aropanam singular form. Dineshasya Kake Ramasya Ramanam. So Dinesha, when it becomes Dinesha, Kake Dineshasya Dineshanam will come. Dineshanam. Okay. That is, next example is Aropateshu saha asti. Aropitaha, one word. Aropita means one who is accused. Aropitaha. Aropiteshu. Rameshu. Par Rameshu. So Ramesh Aropiteshu means per meaning will come. Accused per. Sahasti, he is among accused. He is there among accused. Per means among. In English it will become among, in at to on among. Rame Rameshu. So Aropitaha, one word. Aropiteshu means per or in at the among, etc. meaning will come. So Aropiteshu among accused. Saha asti, he is there. Then last one, Shivaya Namaha or Namah Shivaya, praises for Shiva. Shivaya Namaha, Namah Shivaya, praises for Shiva. Okay, Keliye Ramaya, Keliye Ramaya, Keliye Ramaya Ramebhya, Keliye Ramaya Ramebhya. Okay, this is very simple simple understanding of the preposition of the aha ending male names and common names. Okay, we will see next topic in next class. Thank you.